Inside the Shopify app, you've already seen how recipes work. If not, take a moment to watch our Shopify product tour. Now, you might be wondering, how do you create your own recipes from within the Shopify app? It's simple. Just click on Create Recipe from the AI Match or Manual Recipes selection screen here. This takes you to the Crop.photo web app, where recipes are created and customized. Once you're there, go to the Recipes hub. Here, you can start with any existing recipe and turn it into your own, tailored exactly to how you want your product images to look. To see exactly how to customize and save a recipe in the web app, watch our Create Recipe in Web App video. Once you've created and saved your recipe, come back here to Shopify. You'll see your recipes show up right here under My Recipes, ready to use. From here, you can browse all your recipes, including the ones you just created. And now you can apply them instantly, whether you're using AI Match or selecting recipes manually, across your entire product catalog with fully personalized, on-brand, high-quality visuals.